You see Mark?
Yeah, he's in there, but I really wouldn't go in there.
Oh, okay. You okay?
Well, you know, you've seen the videos. Grant always going on about health and safety. Me, Gailey throwing the Stanley 99E just across the showroom, bouncing off couches and everything else. And yeah, there you go. Yeah, one bounce, one slight slice from the Slicer and Dicer, and there you have the outcome. Fortunately, I am a registered first aider, so is Grant, so it was quite good. Our first aid certification course was put to good use, and as you can see, I'm now a proud owner of a 99E scar that I will wear as a badge of pride for many years to come. Obviously, it does delay the unboxing of the Triangle BOREAs that we featured at the start of the week. However, I have been assured by my medical expert that I will be more than able to do this from Monday onwards, and as they say, normal Stanley 99E service will indeed be resumed at that moment in time. So there you go. Not feeling foolish in the slightest. Bye, Graham. Shut it down in there, please.